Yeah, not very much metal. Ready. So you need a 30mm for the crank bolt, and I know this is not going to work, but I have to try it anyway. Yeah. That's loud. Alright guys, so I bought this tool, and it's like a flywheel lock tool pretty much. So I have the flywheel on, and this bolts and kind of catches the tooth there. This is made for like a electric Volkswagen or something like that, I don't know, but we'll see if it works. I saw a video on YouTube where a guy used this exact one to get his crank bolt. So I got it sitting up on a tire. I'm hoping that the hoist here can make it so that with it leaning this way, I can put some force on it that way without it like tipping over on me. So let's see if it works.
Try to counter it somewhat.
Oh, got it.
I think. Yeah, you got it. Maybe? Yeah. There we go. Engineering.
Yeah. Wow.
That should be able to hold it now. Yeah, you got it.
Woo! Big old bolt. So yeah, little tip. Crack this loose while it's still in the car. Damn, that's heavy.
I bet. Do you have a replacement for that too?
Yeah. Have a fluid damper, harmonic balancer.
Cool.
Alright. Sweet. So there's my crank and rods and pistons. Try and get some better light. Let's see. Not sure what that is. Some discoloration. Oil. Not that I need to, but I made baggies labeling the bolts for the mains here. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So bolts out of 7 go into bag 7. There we go. Go. Rear main. So here's the crank ready to come out. Everything looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and pull this thing out. I think it's pretty heavy. Well, here's the inside, the bottom of the motor. Got oil pulled up in there. Gotta drain that out. Bottom of the pistons look nice and clean. Yeah. Not too shabby. And here's the crank. It's got oil on the bearings. I'm sure they're probably in really good condition, so can't complain there. 05U.
Well guys, that's the bottom end disassembled. Now we have the crank ready to take down to the machine shop for the spline oil drive. As you can see from these pictures that the stock oil pump gear does not contact very much of the crank, so that's why we're going to do the SuperTech Racing spline drive. So as always guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Next time we'll be taking the head off and you get to see me break a bolt off into the block.